The Pyramids of Giza, located just outside of Cairo, Egypt, are one of the most recognizable and iconic landmarks in the world. These ancient structures have stood the test of time and continue to captivate visitors from all over the globe. The Pyramids of Giza were built over 4,500 years ago by the ancient Egyptians. They were constructed as tombs for the pharaohs and their consorts, and are considered to be some of the most impressive engineering feats in history. The Pyramids of Giza consist of three main pyramids, the largest of which is the Great Pyramid of Khufu. The pyramids are accompanied by the Sphinx, a massive statue of a mythical creature with the head of a human and the body of a lion. The Pyramids of Giza have long fascinated archaeologists and historians. The sheer size and complexity of these structures are a testament to the skill and knowledge of the ancient Egyptians. Visitors to the Pyramids of Giza can explore the interior of these ancient tombs, which are filled with elaborate decorations and hieroglyphics that tell the stories of the pharaohs who were buried there. The Pyramids of Giza are not just impressive from a historical perspective, but they are also an important part of Egyptian culture and identity. They are a symbol of our country and our heritage. The Pyramids of Giza are a stunning sight at any time of day, but many visitors choose to visit at sunrise or sunset when the light casts a golden glow on these ancient structures. Egyptian art and crafts have a rich tradition that dates back thousands of years. Many of the techniques that we use today have been passed down through generations of artisans. Visitors to the Pyramids of Giza can also explore the local markets and crafts shops, where they can purchase traditional Egyptian souvenirs and see artisans at work. The Pyramids of Giza are a testament to the ingenuity and creativity of the ancient Egyptians, and they continue to inspire and awe visitors from around the world. It's an experience that you won't forget anytime soon.